Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we will be seeing how we can add players to the tournament. Basically, these players are the players who are going to play in the tournament and we will go through basically all the flows which are available in order to add players to the specific tournament. So for now, we will go to our tournament, the Comic Star tournament. You can either go through actions and open the tournament for registration, or you can go to add players, and here also there is an option to start registration phase. Once the registration phase is started, you won't be able to do major changes to the team registration and pool setup thing, so keep that thing in mind. Now we will add players by moving our tournament to the registration phase. Once you click on start registration, it will give you a pop-up which will say all the things which you have done till now. You can just validate it once, and if there are things which are still pending, it won't allow you to open the tournament for registration. For example, here the budget is configured, so that is checked. Team limit 4 teams, 9 player each. Okay, 4 teams are configured, and all the 4 teams, which is minimum number of teams which required, are configured. All teams are configured well. The registration deadline is 31st, which is also configured. Pools are configured and pool budget is also configured. So everything is well within our check limit. So we will now move ahead and do a confirmation to move our tournament into the registration phase. So we have like here 4 options through which we can do our registration. I will just walk you through each of the option in a brief in this tutorial video, and there would be another tutorial video which would be responsible for exploring each matter in detail. Self-enrollment first. So self-enrollment is basically the way where people can enroll themselves on their own into the tournament. So as an admin, you can just copy the link from here and share it with your friends, family, or team members, or players, or things like that, and they can do the registration on their own into the system. Okay, or you can even share the link. The share link option would give you option to share it via an email or WhatsApp or Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook. All the social media platforms would be available according to the operating system and according to the device type you are using. So basically, if you are on your laptop, it will give you options like sharing via email. If you're doing it from a mobile, you can basically do it to share it on WhatsApp and things like that. Irrespective of that, you can also do it a copy link and share it to any one of them directly. That is all okay if you want to do it separately. So basically, people would come here and enroll themselves by registering to the platform, and you would just be required to go to enrollment management tab and approve those players as and when they enroll. Coming to the second option, it is single player. So basically, if you have all the players in your list available, like a manager, something like that, you can upload them one by one as well. So basically, you will add their photo, their name, you will select their pool, star player, rookie, or regular players, which we have created during the pool setup phase. Select their role, which is player. Email is optional, so you can skip it completely. We won't be sending any emails or things like that. So you can completely skip that part without any issue. Even the mobile number is optional, you can skip that. But do note that basically, if you add some of the data and if you have the data, it would be helpful to the team owners at the time of communications when the player is actually bought and things like that, because the PDFs which would be sent to the team owners for their team would have this detail. So if you add them, it's good. If you don't add them, that's also okay. It is only for your use case and not for the actual data. Now you will add players one by one. That is how you can do that. The third option is bulk upload. Bulk upload is basically where if you have a CSV file ready or an Excel file ready, you can directly select the pool and upload all the players against them, and it would be done in a single click. Do note that in this case, you won't be able to add image directly. The photo is what I meant. You have to basically then add the photo one by one after uploading all the players, but that is still a better way to upload players if there are, let's say, 50 100 players to work with. You will basically select the pool. Once the pool is selected, you can either download the template for that pool, or you can just select the file which you want to upload, and you can directly upload them. The basic things which are required here are first name, last name of player. Again, email and phone number are optionals, and you can keep it empty, but first name and last name are required. So you can do it this way as well. In this case, if you have like hundred thousands of players, you can do it in single click. Okay. The third option is we go to the detail of this as well in our upcoming tutorial videos when we cover each of the field available method in detail. The fourth option is basically you can, if you have created tournament in past, you can select the tournament to copy the data from. So if you are, let's assume that you are doing a tournament every month, and the number of players always remains the same number, so you can just copy paste them from past tournament to the current tournament. So these are the four options which are available in order to register your players. Either, so just to give again a brief summary, either they can enroll themselves or you can add them. Whatever is comfortable to you, you can use that. There is no restriction in doing a hybrid multiple approach of each method as well. You can add few players, you can bulk upload few of them, and you can ask few of them to self enroll as well. That is all okay. Just won't restrict you to a single method. Like the video. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. And basically, please share with your friends, families, and the team members or the cricket or the sports group which you are in it, and help us reach maximum people. Thank you.